Mm, yeah, yeah. Mm, yeah.
Hey guys, so what's going on? It's a new vlog. Happy new month. Happy first week of September. Hope y'all are well. New month, new beginnings. I think I had started out the vlog because I did have, this is not my first vlog for this month. So I think I did say happy new month already, but if I didn't, I'm gonna say it again. I'm gonna turn on the radio to make more. So today is Thursday and I have a birthday dinner to go to. So I'm actually on my way to pick up the cake from Sugar and Spice. I'm so glad it's Sugar and Spice because Sugar and Spice is like the best cake ever. I'm sure lots of people won't agree with me, but okay, Sugar and Spice is the best cake ever. And Sugar and Spice will be my wedding cake. I know, I'm crazy, but I love Sugar and Spice like that much. So heading to pick up the cake, like I said, and I'm gonna hurry up and get home back. It's like very late right now. It's moving on to 4:40. Then I just have some work to finish up, and when we're done that, then I'm gonna get ready for dinner. The reservation is at 7. I'm going all the way in Portmore, y'all. All the way in Portmore. So yeah, I cannot watch the road because this traffic is building up. What would I say? Yeah, so it's all the way in Portmore. The reservation is at 7, but you know we're not gonna reach. We're gonna reach late, probably like an hour late, like 8 o'clock, because of traffic and this and that. And I have work to do, so you know she already knows that I'm gonna thingy. But see, the traffic has already started for me to get back home. My Jesus. Anyways, let's go pick up the cake, y'all, because yeah, I know y'all, the sound and this rattling thing, it's not the best. Alright, chat to y'all later. Everything, hey y'all, in your back. Alright, the cake is secure. That's all that matters. So we're gonna hurry up, head home, and just finish up some task, and then yeah, time to get ready for dinner. And by the way, I still don't know what I wear. Yeah. So on my way home, I need to decide what exactly I'm gonna wear. So I'm getting dressed for dinner, and y'all, it took me a while to figure out what I wanted to wear, but based on the restaurant that we're going, it's not one of those fancy ones where you have to like dress up, you know, like based on the restaurant, or based on the, you know, based on the restaurant, sorry. I don't need to like dress up like fully. So definitely going comfy tonight as usual. I always go comfy. So I'm gonna wear a jeans with a cute little heel, a mini heel. And I forgot what are those shoes called, but trust me y'all, this would be my second time wearing that shoes. That shoes I wore last year December at Frenchman. So that shoes I'm gonna put on with some jeans and what is this called? Bodysuits. That's the vibe that we're in. But you're gonna see it's definitely, it still gives, you know, a little classy and dress up vibes, but not too dressy. Yeah, you get it? All right, so I was thinking to wear makeup, but yeah, the time is running out, and like I said, I'm going to Portmore, which is about 50 minutes away based on where I live. So no makeup, but I maybe could have touched up a little, you know, maybe see. But let's see. But we're gonna hurry up and get ready, and yeah. All right, so I've decided to just put on a little makeup, just very light makeup. Y'all, I haven't worn makeup in months. I can't remember the last time I wore makeup, but I'm just gonna hurry up and just you know, do this quick thing. Like, I'm literally running late, and y'all know I have the cake, so I'm gonna hurry up. So no more talking, so we're gonna cue B-roll, y'all. Didn't add, you know, crazy makeup, just very simple light makeup. What did I do? I didn't put any contour or anything like that. But I gotta go right now. Like, yeah, we gotta go. All right, so I will check you guys when I'm at the restaurant. I can't remember the name of it. I even need to put in the GPS because I don't know where I'm gonna go, and I don't want to be lost. And I don't even know if traffic on the road, so the GPS will like direct me which is the best route to go. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys a full fit and we're gonna head out of here. So this is the dinner fit that we're working with: a bodysuit, jeans, and my cute ash shoes that I'm in love with. It definitely goes well with jeans. This is what I wore last year, as I told you guys. So this is the heel. It is very cute, and it's, you see how low it is. So yeah, this can be worn any day, all day. Yeah, but this vibe, yeah, is giving. Later, let's head out. Also, I am here. The restaurant is actually on the new plaza in Portmore. Well, is it new? Well, I will call it new. The one that's with the lots of lights, pretty lights and all of that. I'll show y'all. It's called Hung Mall. But anyways, let's head inside because it's literally 8:33 and dinner was at 7. But I know people are late. I know that for a fact people are late. So let me hurry up. Catch you guys inside.
Satisfying you while I keep bleeding. I don't know why you act like you innocent. You wanna take a piece of my heart again. I'll get you up, cause I just don't know. Something in your eyes, the way you stare me that I like. I wanna let you go, but it's like something holds me tight. You might break my heart tonight, but I'm gonna hold it tight. Oh, it feels like
so we left the restaurant. The restaurant was pretty good. I ordered curry shrimp with herb rice. The food was pretty good. The atmosphere, everything about the place. It's, by the way, inside is very small. So I recommend if y'all go in, just book a reservation. But in there it's pretty good. It's pretty clean. The food was good. Everything was good. So can't complain about it. So now it is almost 11 p.m. and they're gonna head to Cookies. If you guys don't know what Cookies is a strip club in Portmore back road. So that's where we're gonna go right now. I am extremely tired. I'm only going to be staying like 30 minutes tops. All right. Yeah. So yeah, that's what's happening. Like, I'm super tired. So we're gonna head in there, see what the vibe is like. I have never been there. I've never been to Cookies. I have been like a couple years ago when I was in my early teens, my late teens. Yeah. But yeah, we gonna head out. Okay guys, so I've arrived here at Cookies. We're gonna see what the vibe is like. Let's go.
I tell all my hoes, break it up, break it down, back it up, fuck 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 it up, break it up, break it up.
We're all dressed in our errands on the road attire. We definitely have some stuff to do. And the biggest thing on our list for today is to fix my phone. Y'all, this phone that I'm currently using to vlog, yeah, the screen actually went away the other day. Like, okay, first of all, the screen was jumping up and down. There was some, I realized for a couple of months now, what I realized that, you know, when the rainbow kept coming into it every now and then recently the screen just started jumping. So what I did, I brought it to a technician and he says, okay, it's a screen, and he is gonna pull the screen to check it out and then put it back in. Okay, left my phone for a couple of hours, went back, and then when I reached, he said that the screen is gone. Basically, it's blacked out, the screen is done for. So he loaned me a loaner screen, and y'all don't even want to see the screen that he left. I'm gonna turn it around soon and show y'all, but that's besides the point. I'm gonna head on the road now to get a new screen so I can finish editing and all of that. The last time I posted a video is almost like 9 days ago, and today's Tuesday, and I have started posting my vlogs on a Monday, which I think makes more friends. I think I explained that in a previous vlog. So now I missed, you know, my Monday upload. So I'm gonna sort out my phone today. Then we got supermarket to go. Then I got a package to pick up, but based on where I'm gonna drive, I'm gonna pick up the package first. Need to run to the pharmacy for my mom. Then the phone is the last thing on the list. No, phone and then supermarket. So yeah, that's what's going on. Like, bruh, no phone. Like, I can't even see much on my phone. Let me just turn it around and show y'all. The screen that he gave me, this should look blurry right now. This is not a great screen. It's cracked on the camera, and you can see this long ass rainbow in it. This is the phone that I got. This is the screen that I got as a loaner, and this is what I've been working with for a couple of days. It's not a long time, just a few days, but you know, I can't fully, you know, finish editing my vlogs and all of that. So it's just a disaster, y'all. It is a disaster, but we're gonna sort it out today. Amen. And y'all, to be vlogging, just have one phone. I do have another phone, but this camera is a little bit more quality, so this is what I video and edit on. We're praying to God, we're gonna get a camera soon, y'all. We're gonna get a camera. If y'all just, you know, watch my vlogs, watch the ads, share it, you know, stuff like that, we can get our little coins up for a camera. But we definitely gonna try to sort out the camera by 2025. That is the plan. So I'm done with my errands. I'm in KFC line because I'm hungry and I just don't want to go home. I cooked stew peas on Sunday and I don't want those stew peas. I think it was something nice, and the nice was either Popeyes or KFC, but I passed Popeyes, not remembering, and then what was that? My pass thingy. Popeye. So I just stopped at KFC to just grab a zinger sandwich. So yeah, just my phone. If I had dropped it off the time that I went, I wouldn't have gotten it back today, and I don't want to leave my phone overnight, to be honest, because it's just a simple screen change that just gonna take probably like an hour or less, basically. So yeah, so I'm gonna head there. I have to go back on the road tomorrow today with that, but yeah, everything is going well so far, besides my phone issues. And y'all can't believe it, by next week we have 2 more weeks left in the month of September. That is crazy. Today is actually the 10th of September, and I don't know, the time is just rushing. I don't know, but anyways, just in the line to get me some food, so I'll copy you guys tomorrow when we head on the road, or whenever. I don't even know, y'all, but we'll see what this vlog is about. We will see. I'm gonna use cash because let's go. Got our food. The next thing, them don't even have no Pepsi. big Tuesday. They don't even have flavors. They don't even have Pepsi. Sometimes, you know, I was in Half a Tree. I was going to stop in the Half a Tree KFC, but may I just say, you know what, whatever. Anyways, I'm gonna stop videoing y'all because the quality is just terrible. And yeah, later. Good morning, beautiful people. So we're all dressed and ready to head out. We're gonna attempt again today to get our phone fixed. So we're in this just casual fit, same pants that I wore yesterday. We're just in this bodysuit and we changed our slippers, and we're still with this tote bag because I'm working, so I need somewhere to store my laptop. So we're gonna head out and see what's happening for today. So the cell phone, my packages, yeah, that's for it today. So let's head out. So update y'all, I got my phone. It is fixed. Amen. My phone is fixed. Now for my old phone, I need to replace my SIM card, but this is a Lime and my main phone is a Digicel. But I went in, there was like 3 persons ahead of me, and I'm just not in the waiting mood. And right now rain is falling. I'm not sure if you guys can even see the window right now. It wet up. Rain is about to like go crazy like yesterday, and I'm just not in that vibe, and I just want to like go home. So I probably have to come back on the road another day or weekend to get the replacement SIM. But super glad the phone is done. I did pick up my packages, y'all. Ooh, I got some Shein. I think this is like some dresses and my Amazon stuff with my self-care facial whole stupidness. So we are gonna go home and unbox that. Yay! And your girl is hungry. I'm really thinking to get a patty. Like, patty is so expensive, y'all. Did I tell you about the KFC that I had yesterday? I didn't. Yo, it's tasted weird. I told y'all, like, I ordered the spicy because I didn't have the barbecue, and this, I don't know, there was something wrong with that burger yesterday. And also homegirl tip for $100, so she take a $100 tip. You know what, I always like to check my chain when I'm using the $5,000 bill. Like, I'm supposed to check my chain. I don't know why I didn't check it. Like, I just opened it and just do so. I didn't like physically like checked it. She tipped $100, and then the burger never tastes well. Like, the lettuce, I did take pictures, so I'll just put it up there. Like, the lettuce was old, the meat seems old, like it had like color, you know, when it dry out and it just has been there for a while. That's how the meat looked. I didn't like it. It tasted very, very weird. And yeah, I just should have stopped on my Popeyes, basically. Super upset about that, like by $1,000. I told myself I need to start licking my lip and use my lip balm. So your lip like stay cracky. Just keep on licking it instead of using something soft. All right, we are gonna go home. It's 2:36 right now. Perfect timing to head home before traffic. And for dinner, we're gonna do our stew peas. We cook stew peas Sunday, so today's Wednesday. We'll have Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. I didn't have any stew peas last night, obviously, because I had the KFC. But yeah, we'll have stew peas for today. We'll actually have stew peas up until Friday. I'm here alone, so but yeah, we're gonna head home. I need to purchase a pier because we want a pier for tonight. So hopefully we can get a pier. We're like ready now. Yeah. All right, we'll go home. So yesterday we picked up some packages, y'all, and it was a Shein package and an Amazon package. For the Shein package, it's just one package here, and it's just you know, when Shein has the 3 same styles for one price, that 3 bundle thingy. So I just picked up that because just some casual dresses, half shoulder, half top dresses, I should say. And I got 3 colors: brown, gray, and black. You know, you can wear this with your cute sandals, or it's basically like an errands dress. Or if you just want to go for a quick drink or whatever, you can style it up. So I'll probably rock those with the sneakers more than likely, because I don't know, I'm in my sneakers era right now. Yeah, anyway, so on to our Amazon package, and I'm super excited because my facial products are in here as well. So the first thing that I got was some facial wipes, travel sizes. I think I really need to get these because whether you know, I'm doing a trip, whether it's like overseas or here locally, I have to bring my big old pack of wipes, which I don't really like. So it's good to have these small packets. So I got, how much is this? 5 packs. Yeah, Pond's, and I love Pond's actually love the Pond's cream removal. I think I have that in my Amazon down below. I'm gonna put it there for you guys. But the Pond's brand is good. I love it. Great for makeup removal. So I decided to get the wipes. So good for me. And what I've realized is when I don't really like have a light that can stick on my phone without the stick itself. So I went ahead and purchased a LED video light. We're gonna have to try this when we go out. So for this specific one, all right, it comes with the cord. And for this specific one, it comes with the clamp where you can just clamp it on the phone like that without using the tripod, which is perfect because that's what I really wanted. Oh, I'm gonna take these out of the box, darn it. Gonna pull it to show you. I've been wanting these for a while, so I'm super glad I got it eventually. How does this work? So you push it, push it in here, and then you clamp it on your phone. Let me go for my other phone. Yeah, so we just clamp it on the phone here, and bam, we can use it. Which I think this is perfect. Let me see. Do I need to charge it? Okay. Yeah, it only, the power displays at the back, so it will show you how much is left. Let me see how bright. I guess the battery is low, so this is not bright. Hey, this doesn't look bright to me. Wait guys, let me test it and see. Because this is not bright at all. So we'll test that later. Let me turn this off. So all the items that I'm showing y'all from Amazon, I do have an Amazon storefront, so y'all just check it out. Click the link down below. So the next thing, I got a new shower caddy. Reason being, the one that I have right now, it's rusting. And I think this one says rust free if I'm not mistaken. So hopefully this doesn't rust. So I need to remove that what I have in my bathroom right now and add that. So let me see how much pieces it comes with. I don't even remember. It doesn't say, but I'll look back at it. Yeah, so I'm definitely gonna be doing this. I may do it today on camera, if not probably tomorrow. And then finally, y'all, we got a facial steamer. I have been dying to buy one. One has been in my cart for months and months and months, and I was like, nah, you need to get your skin together, girl. So facial steamer, we're definitely gonna test that tonight. Ooh. Yeah, I need to test it tonight. So it comes with everything. It also comes with the extraction as well for the face and all of that. So we're definitely gonna do a facial for tonight. I'm super glad. It comes with like a lot of stuff. It comes with a lot of items, so that's the reason why I even purchased this one. So I'll add the link below, of course, and we're gonna test it out together tonight. Then the next thing, we bought a Good Molecule serum. we're gonna try this serum tonight. And I also bought the toner. This is a brightening toner, yo. When I was adding it to my cart, I'm like, girl, I don't think you should buy this because your skin is gonna bleach out. Like, I'm telling y'all, when it comes down to my eczema skin, like anything that I use on it, if I use like a spot remover or anything like that, my face gets light like easily. It's not glass. Of course it's glass. Let me take time. So yeah, so I'm using the brightening toner as well. Formulated blah, blah, blah. So we're gonna test these two products tonight. I did not buy a moisturizer because I do have a Cetaphil moisturizer which I don't really use, because each time I use it, like I said, the bumps and just, I don't know, the bumps come up on my face and all of that. But we're gonna test these tonight and hopefully it works for us. But that's all I have for my Amazon right now. Tonight we're gonna get into this whole facial routine, hopefully tonight. That's what I'm aiming at, so I can have something to vlog for y'all. So we're gonna see tonight. But for now, yeah, I'm still doing up some work. I do have to clean. I don't think I'm gonna clean tonight, so I just need to set up the caddy tonight. Then after my shower, we do this whole facial routine, so we see how that goes. So I'll catch y'all later.